Italy reported 345 new coronavirus deaths in the country over the last 24 hours, taking its total death toll to 2,503, an increase of 16%. The total number of cases in Italy rose to 31,506 from a previous 27,980, up 12.6%, the slowest rate of increase since the contagion came to light on February 21. Italy is the European country hardest hit by coronavirus. The World Health Organization (WHO) has described the coronavirus pandemic as the defining global health crisis of our time, and urged countries to test all suspected cases of COVID-19. Globally, the virus has infected 184,976 people and killed just over 7,500, according to the WHO. Almost 80,000 people have recovered from the infection, according to data collected by Johns Hopkins University. Turkey reports first death. Turkey Health Minister Fahrettin Koca confirmed the country's first death from the coronavirus, an 89-year-old patient. Koca also told reporters that 51 new cases had been diagnosed, bringing the number of confirmed infections to 98. Former Chelsea player leaves Turkish club over virus outbreak. Former Chelsea and Nigerian football player, John Obi Mikel, and his Turkish club Trabzonspor, have parted ways, after Mike refused to play in Turkey's Super League amid the coronavirus outbreak. The 32-year-old player's contract was revoked after he posted on Instagram that he was no longer comfortable to play for Trabzonspor until the COVID-19 outbreak was over. "There is more to life than football," Mikel posted on Instagram. "I do not feel comfortable and don't want to play football in this situation," he added. "Everyone should be home with their families and loved ones in this critical time. The season should be cancelled as the world is facing such turbulent times."